Emilio Maldonado is going to join us. Emilio, you may know from being around the island, but if you don't, he's the owner of Prime 504. Emilio, thanks for coming on.
Oh, my pleasure. Hi, kid. How you doing? Good to see you.
Tell us about the history of Prime 504.
Wow. Well, Prime was built with Terry McNabb, myself in the pandemia. We were one day cooking, and Kerry does really good, ribeyes. We were at his house, and then the idea came that, wow, why we not open a restaurant for meats? Kerry said, I'm going to be cooking the ribeye, fucking attending the guests, and but the only problem is nobody's going out right now. We're in the pandemic. So we said, after, I don't know, the fifth drink, we said, okay, let's do it. Okay, if it goes well, it goes well. And if it goes bad, it goes bad.
You've been going ever since.
Yeah. The problem is Gary never ever been cook over there. And mostly myself, I've never been mostly nights attending people. But the good thing is that we got really good employees that understand the vision, understand the commitment, and understand the experience that we want to get to our customers. So thank God it's really good. We on May this month, we are 3 years being open, and hopefully at the end of the year, we're going to be open the second line.
Well, that's great. Okay, so tell us some of the signature dishes that you'll have at Prime 504.
We got Prime Lobster, Prime 504 Lobster. It's a lobster tail from 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. It's an experience to eat it. We got every cut from us is fine. So it comes with a certified, and it got, I don't know, the dishes says it could be the tomahawk, it could be the flat iron steak, the skirt, and the tenderloin. Well, the most sales that we got is the tenderloin.
Somebody was just saying that if you haven't tried the tenderloin at Prime 504, you've really missed out. What is it you do differently when you cook them? Pure butter.
Yeah.
So, what's your secret? Because I know you were good. I mean, Kerry may not be cooking like he said he was going to do, but I know you're not a chef. You're not a bad chef. I've seen you before.
Oh, no, remember, I have to eat. So I have a very demanding wife that she likes to be spoiled. So I have to cook for the wife and for the kids. So mostly it distresses me. You know, I've been working 10 hours a day to 12 hours a day. You have to have something that can take your mind away from work. So cooking, it helps me a lot. It's like a therapy.
Señora Consentida.
Señora Consentida, yeah. Yes. I want to invite you so you can come. Let me know when it suits you well, best, so you can come and we can have a
I've actually eaten there a few times. You know, I've actually eaten there a few times. I just haven't gone in. You know, I'm not that. You're a nice guy. You know, you've made a big change in the last 6 to 8 months, because one of your complaints personally to me, you told me about the restaurant, was that you have to air condition it because people that are paying really good money want an environment where they're comfortable. You finally got that done.
Yes, sir. The problem is in the time, we didn't want, we were know what was going to be the future of Prime. So we decided we're going to make Macau Market our home. So we decided to invest in the AC area, and the people of Cool Wind did an excellent, perfect job over there. So right now we got happy customers, and there's no way you can stop the experience at lunchtime because of the weather. Right now, you know, it's a very hot year, not just here, no, worldwide. So I think we got to get decisions, and thank you for always giving us your support and your ideas too. Yeah.
Okay, describe how you like to work in some of the Roatan ingredients, because sometimes on the weekend you have specials from Roatan.
Yeah, well, right now just a lady told me that has 12 breadfruits. So this Saturday this weekend we're going to have breadfruits. So we try to support the local people that sell their things like bananas, plantains, breadfruits, the yuca, local yuca that is grown here. And so we like to help them, and they come and sell us their products. In the meantime, I was made for locals. And at the time that was the pandemic, only locals were here, right? So at the end of the day, we want to support the locals entrepreneurs too, that goes from their hot sauce to their bread, everywhere. So we give 100% to our locals.
How do you stay motivated and passionate? Restaurant is not easy. As you said, it's a 10-hour day. A lot of times it's like long hours. It's always, things are changing. Sometimes supply and demand. We're on an island. You can't always get ingredients, but you always have to be on top of it because you always have to be taking care of the customers. What do you do to stay motivated and passionate?
Well, I get my family, first of all, is the one that motivates me a lot. And then the customers, our customers, and transmit to our employees. When we get good comments, I transmit it to our employees. So when you see the faces of the employees and the customers at the same time, that gives me a lot of joy and a lot of more to think about what we're going to do next, what we can come with other things. And for example, right now we're working on a fusion with a dragon. We're trying to do something Japanese with meat.
Thanks for everything you do. And if you want to check out Prime, it's in the McCaw Market, and you can look online and find out their hours. They always have specials. Sign up so you get verifying what is going to be served on a particular day or night, because they've always got something changing. Milo, thanks for coming on.